Hello friends, welcome to Sudhar Dhara YouTube channel. Today we are going to make a very delicious veg dish, that is suran tikki or suran vada. In English, vegetable suran is called elephant foot yam. Suran has multi-nutrition and medicinal extraordinary health benefits that you can know easily searching on Google. I would just inform you that in this pandemic situation, we all try to eat foods that boost our immunity. In that sense, Suran is a perfect fit. So let's start super tasty, tangy, delicious Suran tikki. Firstly, peel and slice or chop 400 grams Suran. Then steam or pressure cook the yam slices till they are boiled completely. If pressure cooking, then cook for 2-3 whistles. Drain and keep aside. Boiled suran pieces 400 grams. Ginger or adrak 1 inch finely chopped. Lemon juice 2 tablespoons. Gram flour or besan 4 to 5 teaspoons for binding the dough. Green chilies 2 or 3 finely chopped. Grated coconut half of a teacup. Sugar and salt as per your taste. In a mixing bowl, mash the suran pieces very well. Now add the ingredients one by one. Grated coconut, grated chilies, chopped ginger, salt and sugar, lemon juice, gram flour or besan. Now mix all these ingredients very well to make a semi-tight dough. Let me share with you one thing, that lemon juice mixed with ginger and chilies will make a great flavor and taste of the tikkis. Then keep aside and allow the dough to set with all the ingredients. Mashed suran is little soft in texture, so instead of deep frying, it's better to shallow fry the tikkis, because deep frying will allow the tikkis to soak excessive oil, which is not good for health. In kadai, we will pour just 1.5 tablespoon of oil. Stir it gently so that oil spreads very well inside the kadai. Wait until the oil reaches its maximum heat. Now shape small tikki or vada out of the suran dough and put in the kadai one by one. Fry them on a medium flame. When the base become light golden, then flip and fry the other side. Fry till they are light golden and crisp. Take out the completely fried tikki in a plate and wait for the next one to become light golden and take it out in the plate. This way, fry all the tikkis. Finally, enjoy the vadas or tikkis with tomato sauce and green chutney. That's it for the time being. If you enjoyed this video, then please like, share and subscribe. And please don't forget to leave a comment.